For today's recipe, let's make avocado icebox loaf. I hear that avocados are great for your skin, but I'm pretty sure being around you is better for my heart. Sana all. Hi guys, it's me again, Shumei, and welcome to my cooking channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you as one of my viewers. So without further ado, let's start cooking. Like this recipe? Let's talk about it in the comment section. And please turn on your notifications so you won't miss any of my latest recipe updates. For the exact list of ingredients, please check the description box. Thank you for watching guys. Hope to see you again on my next cooking vlog. Keep safe and God bless everyone. Happy cooking!